everybody, and welcome to LK Lifestyles. This is Laura. Today I'm going to show you how I make my Paleo and Whole30 compliant honey baked ham that I got for the holidays. And this is a huge ham. It's almost 12 pounds, but I got it for free at my local Giant. And we're going to use some really simple paleo ingredients, and the ham is going to self-glaze as it cooks in the oven. I'm going to start my oven and preheat it at 350 degrees. And we're going to get the ham and put it on a baking tray. And as soon as it's on the baking tray, you probably want to add about 2 cups of water to the bottom of the tray. Take some yellow mustard, very inexpensive mustard, and you want to drench your spiral ham with the mustard. You can use your fingers for this, but I do like to use basting brush, otherwise my fingers smell like mustard all day. And you don't really even have to get it into the nooks and crannies. The flavor of this will get throughout the whole ham. And as soon as you get into all of the glazing of the mustard, you want to take about a half a cup of coconut palm sugar, which is paleo and I guess maybe keto, but it's definitely Whole30 version of sugar, brown sugar anyway. You could use brown sugar if you can. And you want to pour that on it, and it's already started to glaze itself. And the seasonings that I use are very, very simple. Himalayan pink salt and ground cinnamon. I get that at the dollar store. And you want to sprinkle a generous amount of cinnamon and salt on the ham and get it all over. And then we're going to, as you can see, there's liquid in the bottom of the pan now. And as you can see, we're going to take that over and we're going to completely cover the ham with foil. We're going to bake it at 350 degrees for 90 minutes. It's in the center rack so that it has plenty of room to cook. And set the timer and walk away. Once you take your ham out, this is the time you want to put your meat thermometer in. I do have one that has a long cord and attaches to my stove, so that I can get it up to 140 degrees at least. I like it a little more than that. And that's as easy as it is to make a baked ham that is paleo and Whole30 compliant. I know that some of the edges look a little crusty, but the rest of the ham is perfect. It's 152 degrees in the center of it, and it's going to slice so easily. You can see the ham is cooked all the way through, and the spirals are just going to fall off if you get this cut of ham. If you don't get this cut of ham, you will have to pre-slice your ham, but this makes it so easy if you can just buy a plain spirally sliced ham, and you're going to have all of that lovely dark meat on the end, and you're going to have the bone as well. So I cut myself off a few pieces because the chef deserves a treat while she trims her ham. And I like to just put a little mustard on it and eat it while it's hot. But one of my favorite things to do with ham is actually turn it into a delicious ham salad that I serve with crackers or on a roll. And I also use my leftover ham to make a country ham loaf that I glaze as well, and both videos are available on my site, so please check them out. As you can see, I got tons of meat from this ham. It was so easy to make. It's not even really that hard to clean up. I'm going to use that great big ham bone to make a ham and sweet potato soup. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to LK Lifestyles, and have a great holiday.